Hello everyone, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you are well. Today I'm going to be planting some more seeds to get them ready for spring planting. And I thought that I would review these Jiffy Peat Pellets that I purchased from Amazon. This pack has 35. They have a pack of 100 depending on what your needs are. But I love these little pellets. They come dried like this in a pack. As you can see, I've used a number of them already. They're so reliable. They stop your plants from having shock when you're transplanting them, because you can transplant this entire thing into your soil and you don't have to worry about having root shock. So it comes like this in a pack. And what you do is I fill up my sink with a little bit of water and I set this in the water. Once I set this in the water, it becomes like this. It absorbs the water from the bottom to the top. And as you can see, this one is ready to plant to receive some seeds. So this is how it looks from that little size there to this size here. Isn't that cool? And so what I do is I put these in a container or so like this. And then when I have to water them after I plant my seeds, I open this here like this. For instance, you're in a zone that's still in winter time, but you guys are starting to get kind of cool with the spring. You're starting to get into spring, but you're not quite there yet, and you want to start some veggie seedlings. This would be perfect for you. All right, so you can plant whatever seeds you want in these pods, and the roots will start shooting out the bottom of them, which is so awesome to give them that air they need, circulation. But I'm planting a Tiny Tim tomato. I'm going to do 2 seeds in each pod here to make sure I have good potential for germination, like that. 2 for that one. And then I'm also going to plant these red Russian kale. And here are the last 2 for the red Russian kale. 2 in there as well. And then all I do is I cover the seeds with soil. This. Get them all snug in there. Then cover this one as well with soil. Oops, get that in there. There we go. And these will germinate so quick. I'd say about 7 to 10 days. We should start seeing something, like a week and a half. They normally do a great job. I'm excited because the Tiny Tim is a really compact tomato with the round tomatoes, but they're really tasty. And the kale, the red Russian kale, is great for hot or cold weather, so they will just keep producing. You just snip off the outer leaves and it will just keep multiplying. It was just so amazing, me growing them in the past, so I'm looking forward to having some fresh red Russian kale again. And just to get them started on their way, I'm just going to spray water on the tops. Now as I move forward, I will be adding water to the bottom of this pan basin here, and so that the water can just absorb from the bottom to the top, okay? But for this time, I just want to make sure that the seedlings get their due of water across the top. So we're going to do that now. There we go. Just a nice spray, just like that. All right, cool beans. And last but not least, why not use my Uruk hydroponic growing system, Grow Light, to get these started on their way as well. So this hydroponic system has really come in handy in many ways. So as you can see, I have some other vegetables that's going to be going outside. This is a straight neck squash. This is a cucumber. Compact, smaller cucumber for like pickling and things like that. This is a lantana that's going to go outside, great for warm weather. So I just got them today, so I'm just having them hang out because we have heavy winds today. But I'm going to sit this here so that light is for vegetables. As you can see, I have lettuce growing perfectly, sweet peppers in the back there. I'll show you if you want to know more about this Uruk hydroponic growing system. I'll leave the link here up in the corner of the video so you can learn more about that. But for right now, for this one, I'm going to have them park it right here, get that light, and they'll be on the 16 hours on, so about 6 hours off or so, like that combination. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on them, but that's how you use those pellets. They're so convenient. If you want to learn more about it, want to get them yourself, you can find them on Amazon. All right, guys, thanks a lot for spending time with me as we continue to spring garden and get our gardens ready for all of the nourishment that we're going to grow in our gardens. Take care of yourself. God bless. Bye-bye.